Hey guys, welcome back. I wanted to turn this. I don't think I need that. Wanted to do a quick little organization video for you today. I am going to organize my fridge and freezer and clean it out. And I'm also going to organize my Tupperware drawer. If you're anything like me, I can't stand Tupperware. There's always missing lids and it doesn't, it's really hard to organize. So I went to Ross. I got some different things that I really liked. I'll show you guys what I liked. And I'm kind of gonna show you some before clips of like my fridge, my freezer, and my Tupperware drawer. And then of course I'll show you a little bit throughout the process of cleaning it. And then, of course, I'll show you some afters. So, here we go. Let's do some befores.
So, here is the before of my fridge and freezer, which you will see as the video goes. I don't even start my freezer because my fridge took so long. It's nasty. And here is the before of my Tupperware drawer. And then you will see that even in the drawer above, I had been storing some Tupperware because I couldn't get it to fit in the bottom drawer. I know, y'all, it's crazy. But stick around and see the end.
I'm going out of my mind. Things there, which you'll see at some point. But, so, I went to Ross and got some new things. I got some of these clear plastic, BPA-free, stackable, customizable, and you can put them in the fridge or the freezer. They're just the clear, they have handles. Yeah, and then if you get more, like in the same size, you can stack them, like on top of them, of course, if the stuff is not super high. So, I got that skinnier one. This was a 3-pack, same thing, just a different size. And those stack as well. And they all can go in the fridge or the freezer. And then I got this larger. This, of course, would just go in the fridge because you probably wouldn't put your eggs in the freezer. But this holds 21 eggs in it. And I think it'll just, I know an egg carton does the same thing, but I think that this will just make it look more clean and organized and less of a mess. It's kind of what I'm hoping for. Yeah, we'll see. So I got those for my fridge, and then Tupperware. My Tupperware situation, I, as you saw, have a ton of different size Tupperware. Not matching lids, there's not any organization to it, and I just can't stand it. Out of my mind, yeah. For you, my love. You drive me crazy, tell me what to do. I'm on my knees, yeah, I am begging you. I'll break the rules if it will get me to, yeah. Some directions to get to you, ain't gonna waste my time. I know that we got connection, I think about you. For you, my love. You drive me crazy, tell me what to do. I'm on my knees, yeah, I am begging you. I'll break the rules if it will get me to, yeah.
This fridge was nasty. I am not sure I realized it was as bad as it was. Just being busy, I think that a lot of times things like this are easy to look over, but I am glad that it is now clean, even though it took me forever to do. But it is all clean and organized, and I love it. So stick around till the end so you can see how this and the Tupperware drawer turn out.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Build things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away your sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a hurricane.
Alright everybody, here is the final product. I think it turned out great, and I really cannot believe how dirty and unorganized my refrigerator was. So, as you can see, I threw away a lot of the condiments that I maybe bought for one recipe and have never used again, and just went through everything else. Also, you can tell that I might need to go to the grocery store because there's just not that much left in my fridge. But I did love how these clear containers turned out. I like that everything has a spot and is organized. So, like I said in the beginning, it all came from Ross. The containers did. And then I used the Thieves all-purpose cleaner to clean out the fridge, and I will link that in the description box below, and I will try to link those containers as well. Alright guys, so this is the throwing away of the Tupperware. I just took everything out of the drawer and went through it, and it felt great. So, as you will see, I then put my glass Tupperware in, and I did keep a few of my plastic ones like the boys' lunch containers. But other than that, that is it. I got rid of a ton that didn't have matching lids. So, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!